Alpus Group, how to get started in property, ethical and sustainable property investment and development. Who is this presentation for? Property owners who may have a problem, property, for example, distressed property, fire damage, water damage, land for development that you don't know what to do with, property investors who are looking for a great guaranteed ROI, anyone interested in learning about how to create wealth from property, anyone willing to learn from other people's mistakes rather than making them yourself, and people who like free stuff. So why invest in UK property? It's a stable and transparent property market. There's strong demand versus limited housing supply. There's consistent rental income and high occupancy, proven long-term capital growth. Diverse strategies are available: buy-to-lets, houses and multiple occupation, commercial to residential conversions. It's got a global appeal. It's a safe haven for investors, and infrastructure and regeneration projects can drive growth in special locations, particular locations, hedge against inflation with tangible assets. So what sort of returns are there for investors? Buy-to-lets, generally the lowest form of return at the moment. Total return 6 to 10% with a rental yield of 4 to 8%. HMOs, houses of multiple occupation, total returns 10 to 15% per annum, rental yield 8 to 12% per annum. Property development gives the highest returns with 15 to 30% on cost, at least 20% on gross development value, otherwise you won't be able to get the funding. Commercial property can give a total return of 8 to 12% per annum with a net yield of 5 to 8% per annum. And regeneration hotspots can actually increase the profitability in particular areas. So this is the Alpus Group management team, myself, Alan Edwards, and my business partner and group director, Anna Lipcheva. We work with penfranchise.com, and this is our partner, Dr. Jack Dowra from the Pen Franchise. The property wealth formula is the achievement of 4 pillars: education, leverage, power team, and systems. And we also belong to the Property Investors Network. I run the Portsmouth PIN meeting along with Rob Martineau, my colleague, and there's a community of 50 meetings all around the country, plus 2 in the Netherlands. So there's support from the PIN community all over the UK and also in the Netherlands as well. There are also global investors who participate in the Global Investors Network, which is once a month with PIN as well. So it's a really great community. And if you want to go along, you can scan the QR code and you can get in for your first meeting for free using my code ALAN06, capital ALAN 06. My story: I started off working for a small building contractor, and I ended up working for consultants on the largest possible projects. $1.5 billion was the value of the last project that I managed in Azerbaijan. I also subsequently managed other projects in Wales and also in Macedonia. Client feedback. This is just feedback about me and my contribution, and basically I solve property problems. So that's the gist of what I do and have done for many years. I wrote a book about my experience called Project Deliverance: The 20 Key Factors for Project Success or Failure. And this goes through my experience and how these 20 key factors actually helped certain projects succeed, and how other projects occasionally failed, but on the whole, things have turned out well. This is Anna's personal story. She's a serial entrepreneur and has managed properties in Bulgaria, and she's also developing with Alpus Group, the portfolio for Alpus Group in the UK and also in Europe. This is one of her examples. This is 120 units under serviced accommodation letting, which is a massive portfolio, and she got 9.8% rating on booking.com consistently, which is a massive achievement to do that consistently across such a big portfolio. So do you have a property problem to solve? If so, there's a new way to solve it, no matter what your particular problem is, whether it's commercial to residential or land development or blocks of flats or hotels, other sorts of commercial. We've got a Alpus Group unique branded system, and this enables us to undertake any sort of project using this acronym Alpus. A is for acquisition, L is for leverage, our expert team, P is for project design, and U is for upgrade value, S is for safe, secure investment returns. So at the acquisition stage, we can acquire properties using a wide variety of means. We can either purchase them outright, or we can develop them under a joint venture where the property owner puts the property into the joint venture, or we can acquire them on an exchange with a delayed completion and increase the value and then share the profits when sold. That's called an assisted sale. Or we can do purchase lease options. Any sort of creative strategy. We love to find win-win solutions, and we love to find creative solutions to solving property problems. The leverage of our team, we've got a vast amount of experience amongst the team, and you can leverage that by talking to us and seeing how we can help you to solve your problem, with a no obligation discussion to start the dialogue off. We're specialists in rental properties, and we also specialize in planning gain and also in the development process, taking things from concept through to managed completed buildings. The project design phase, this involves appointing a principal designer, usually if there's a large design requirement, and preparing the drawings for pre-applications or planning applications, preparing drawings for building control. And we take all the responsibility for the full design package, right from the outset through to completion of the project. Upgrade value, we take responsibility for procuring the contractor, setting up whatever is necessary for advanced works, setting up the safety arrangements under RIDDOR, Health and Safety at Work Act, because the last thing you want is for anything to go wrong with your project, and you have the health and safety executive actually knocking on your door. So we want to keep safe sites and produce projects to budget, on time and quality. Safe, secure investment returns. This is the objective of any form of investment or development, that the investor gets their money back plus the interest that's been promised to them as quickly as possible. Our investment process, we acquire undervalued assets in growth regions, we apply sustainable design and development principles, we enhance value with energy efficient technologies, and we exit via sale or lease with strong return profiles. So how can you work with us? So you can work with us as an investor. You can talk to Anna or myself, and the numbers are there. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE. We've got a done with you service for acquiring property to help you build your portfolio. And you can talk to either Anna or myself about that. And if you want to avail yourself of our done with you service, this costs $1997. as a working with you solution where we work with you for 2 months to acquire a property up to £300,000 value anywhere in the UK to your set of criteria. And we encourage you to use Property Filter to actually achieve this. We work with you to help you to achieve it. And the alternative is we've got a done for you service which starts at 4997, and that is where we actually identify the property that matches your criteria and do it for you because you haven't necessarily got the time to do it. So that again applies anywhere in the UK up to a budget value of £300,000 purchase price. So how to find us, you've got my number there, 07539141257, or the landline 0333 224 1257. Our Instagram account is alpus.group. Our website is alpusgroup.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.